Dul makedo gi yedhe ma meroji e pacho ka NACADA oriwore gi migepe mamoko e awayanga juma mar nono okenge moseketie kedo gi yedhe ma meroji go e pacho ka, chenro madhi timore kuom juma mangima. Nyasi ma kama obagi e kar alam mar All Saints Cathedral e bore Nairobi, ka bende odhi nyime e pacho ka kuom ndalo 7. Jata tije maduong' ka NACADA Laktar Antonio Merikwa okwayo oganda jo Kenya mondo onyuak lwedo kedo gi yedhe ma meroji, ka bende opuoyo jok maende ne tiyo gi yedhe go manyaka sani oselokore kendo were gi yedhe go.
Today we come together not just as experts, policymakers and advocates, but we convene here today as a community with a shared vision. This vision is to protect our families, our young ones, and our nation from the devastating effects of substance use, specifically alcohol and drug abuse. We are also here to honor those in recovery, which is a proof that prevention works, not just before addiction, but even after.
As the Nairobi City County Government, under the leadership of His Excellency Sakaja Johnson, we've put up a robust mechanism to just see what can we do in our space. As you know, alcohol control specifically is a devolved function. However, we lead communities, we serve our people.